In this video, I'll show you how to auto-fit your column width. Normally, in Excel, when we type any column, text in column, suppose I am typing here one text in a cell, H1. Once I enter, you see column width not adjusted. After I enter, we press double click on this border, we drag column border, or we double click on column border to adjust. We want to auto fit. You just press Alt F11 from Excel. When you press Alt F11, will let you jump to the VBE. This is the place where we write macro codes, editor of the Excel, VBA editor. Sometimes you may get like this also, absolutely blank. No worry. You just click on View menu and say Project Explorer. Make sure that your current sheet 1 is selected, because now I am writing some macro for sheet 1 only. So this macro would be valid for sheet 1 only. In later series of the video, I'll show you how to write same macro for all the sheets. Right now I'm writing some things for this macro for this sheet only, sheet 1. So this is the VBE. When you double click on sheet 1, see it's editor where we write the code. So just double click on sheet 1, and if you see here, just above we have some general. You have to click on this drop down and click on worksheet, and right hand side of the general, these are the events of the sheet. These are the possible event. So here we have selected worksheet. Right hand side event need to be selected change. Just go and select a change event from this list. So right now my cursor is blinking inside the worksheet change event. You can see here. This one is extra. This one is extra. You can remove this if you want. If you don't remove, will not harm you if you don't remove. So suppose I remove this so now I am inside the change event of the worksheet. You need to write a code, just one line code, simple code, active cell dot entire column dot autofit. That's it. This line is required inside change event of worksheet. Come back to Excel. You can click on this Excel icon which comes on the top left side, or you can press Alt F11 also to go back to Excel window. And suppose I am typing here employees of Mumbai. When you say enter, see columns are auto fit in any column of this current sheet. Suppose, see, so my job is easy now. No need to adjust column manually. Thanks for watching this video.